In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background on Filmora 14. So you can see I have opened on my PC. So I import a image from my folder. So I want to remove this background, right? Now click on, just select this photo and again click on this AI matting. Then click on AI portrait cutout. Wow, it's already removed from just one click. So if you want to add others background like this one, wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. So you can put here. So you can add now any background in this photo. This is easy method. So if I want to add PNG background like this one, like here are going on a sticker, then charge PNG background, then oh I found one, just okay, keep it. Then amazing, it's amazing. So if you have found this video helpful for you, I request you for subscribe the channel and turn on notification bell. So if you have any questions, please comment below. See you again, take care, goodbye.